Group B, Metalloids.
Now, what is a metalloid?
Metalloids is also known as semimetals, are elements containing properties similar and midway between metals and non-metals. The word metalloids come from the Latin word metallium, meaning metal, and from the Greek word oides, meaning resembling in form or appearance. What are the physical properties of a metalloid?
Metalloids usually looks like metal but behave largely like non-metal. Physically, they are shiny, brittle solids with intermediate to relatively good electrical conductivity.
What is metalloids chemically?
Chemically, they mostly behave as weak or nonmetals, have intermediate ionization energies, electronegativity values, and amphoteric or weakly acidic oxides. They can also form alloys with metals.
What are the metalloids' uses?
It is used in alloys, biological agents, catalysts, flame retardants, gas formation, optical storage and optoelectronics, pyrokinetics, semiconductors, and electronics.
What are the elements commonly considered as metalloids?
Boron, silicon, germanium, arsenic, antimony, tellurium.
Boron, an element with atomic number of 5, is a nonmetallic element extracted chiefly from kernite and borax. It is used in flares, abrasives, and hard metal alloys. It was discovered by Gay Lussac and L. Thenard of France in 1808. Boron can be found in eye drops, mild antiseptics, washing powders, and tile glazes.
Silicon is a nonmetallic chemical element in the carbon family. It makes up 27.7% of Earth's crust. It is the second most abundant element in the crust, being surpassed only by oxygen. Pure silicon is too reactive to be found in nature, but it is found in practically all rocks as well as sands, clays, and soils combined either with oxygen as silica or with oxygen and other elements as silicates. Silicon is used to make glass. It is also used to make pottery.
Under standard conditions, germanium is a hard, shiny, silvery gray solid that is very brittle. It is one of the few elements that expands when it freezes or turns solid. Germanium was first predicted to exist by Russian chemist Dmitry Mendeleev in 1869 based on the periodic table. However, it was German chemist Clemens Winkler who first isolated the element and proved its existence in 1886. As a metalloid, germanium has both metal and non-metal qualities. It is also a semiconductor, which means it has electrical conductivity between an insulator and a conductor. This characteristic has led it to being used in electronics. Arsenic has been known about since ancient times as part of a compound with sulfur. It is thought that it was first isolated during the Middle Ages by German philosopher Albertus Magnus in 1250. Arsenic is found in the Earth's crust. It can be found in its free form, but this is rare. Most arsenic exists in minerals such as real gore, mispickel. Arsenic is perhaps most famous for its high toxicity.
Antimony is a metallic element belonging to the nitrogen group. It exists in many allotropic forms. Antimony is a lustrous silvery.
Tellurium is an element with the atomic number 52. It is a soft silvery white metal used to alloy stainless steel and lead in thermoelectric devices. It can be found in rubber, electronic devices, printers, and as catalyst in manufacturing synthetic fibers.